Hey there, how you doing? I'm at the container shop where we have all our containers and where we fabricate containers for our customers and also do custom solutions. And I came across one custom solution that we have here, which is a self-contained compactor showing you with a tipper. So this is a solution that you would typically put in, bump against a dock door, and you're utilizing a forklift to bring the waste to the unit and streamlining the process of actually getting the waste inside the container and reducing your downtime. So let me show you an example here. So this is the self-contained 34-yard compactor that we customized with a built-in tipper, or tipper that you can literally just dip right in. So you bring the waste in, you bring it on the tipper, the unit just dumps it back, and you take it away, minimizing the time that you're at the compactor and allowing your staff, to be more productive throughout the day. I hope this video shows you a depiction of the customized solutions that we can provide you here at Republic Services.